Today's video topic is how to treat wrinkles naturally at home. Wrinkles are one of the most common signs of aging. This is because as you age, less collagen is produced, which makes your skin vulnerable to damage. And while you can't totally stop them from appearing, there are some natural ways to reduce their appearance. Here are some tips on how to treat wrinkles naturally at home. Limit sugar intake. Sugar is one of the main culprits when it comes to wrinkles, as it can damage the collagen and elastin in our skin, leading to wrinkles. This process is known as glycation. So to reduce wrinkles, try to limit your intake of sugar-laden foods and beverages. Instead, focus on eating more fruits and vegetables. Wash your face. Washing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser can help remove dirt and debris that can build up in your pores and make wrinkles more visible. Make sure to use a cleanser that is free of harsh chemicals and fragrances, and make sure to apply a moisturizer afterwards. Applying a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E can help keep your skin looking plump and youthful. Avoid UV light. One of the main causes of wrinkles is UV light, so avoiding UV light is essential in wrinkle prevention. So invest in a good pair of sunglasses and wide-brimmed hats to protect your face while outdoors. Wear a sunscreen. In addition to avoiding UV light, you should also wear a sunscreen when outdoors to help protect your skin from sun damage. Choose a sunscreen that is broad spectrum and water resistant and that has an SPF of 30 or higher, and wear it every time you go outside, even on cloudy days. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great natural moisturizer that can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is because it fills the tiny gaps in your skin, which makes it look plump and smooth. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help promote healthy skin. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the leading causes of wrinkles, as it can damage the proteins in your skin, leading to wrinkles and other signs of aging. Quitting smoking can help keep your skin looking younger for longer. Try supplementing with beta-carotene. Beta-carotene can be found in many anti-aging products, as it can prevent UV light from damaging your skin. So you can try taking a beta-carotene supplement and see the results yourself. Finally, you can look into other home remedies that can help treat wrinkles. For example, gently massaging your face with rosehip oil can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, while egg whites and honey can draw out impurities and make your skin smoother. If you follow these tips, you can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles naturally at home. Taking care of your skin is the best way to keep your skin looking young, healthy, and wrinkle-free.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.